Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about health and wellness. But trust me, it's a game changer. We're diving into the vibrant world of bell peppers. Yes, those colorful, crunchy veggies that you often see in salads, stir-fries, and even on their own as a healthy snack. If you're not already a fan, by the end of this monologue, you just might be. First off, let's talk about colors. Bell peppers come in a rainbow of hues: red, yellow, orange, green, and even purple. Each color is not just for show, it represents different nutrients and health benefits. For instance, red bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, way more than oranges in fact. Just one medium red bell pepper provides about 169% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. That's incredible! Vitamin C is crucial for a strong immune system, and who doesn't want to fend off those pesky colds and flu? But wait, there's more. Bell peppers are also rich in antioxidants, particularly carotenoids, which are great for eye health. You might have heard of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in these colorful veggies. They help protect your eyes from harmful light and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So if you want to keep your vision sharp as you age, bell peppers should definitely be on your plate. Now let's not forget about fiber. Bell peppers are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestion. Eating enough fiber can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Plus, fiber keeps you feeling full longer, which is great if you're trying to manage your weight. Imagine snacking on bell pepper strips instead of chips. You'll be munching away, feeling satisfied, and doing your body a favor at the same time. And here's a fun fact: bell peppers are actually a fruit. Yes, I know, mind blown, right? They develop from the flowering part of the plant and contain seeds, which makes them a fruit botanically. This means they're not just good for you, they're also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can eat them raw, roasted, grilled, or stuffed. The possibilities are endless. Speaking of versatility, let's talk about how easy they are to incorporate into your meals. You can toss them into salads for a crunchy texture, add them to omelets for a pop of color, or stir-fry them with your favorite proteins and other veggies. They can even be blended into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Yes, you heard me right. Just throw some bell pepper into your morning smoothie, and you won't even taste it, but your body will thank you. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the green ones? Aren't they less nutritious? Well, here's the scoop. Green bell peppers are actually just unripe versions of the other colors. They're still nutritious, but they do contain slightly fewer vitamins and antioxidants compared to their fully ripened counterparts. However, they still pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, so don't shy away from them. Another thing to consider is how bell peppers can fit into various diets. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, paleo, or following a keto diet, bell peppers can be a fantastic addition. They are low in calories, about 25 calories for a medium-sized pepper, making them a guilt-free snack. Plus, they're naturally gluten-free, which is a huge bonus for those with gluten sensitivities. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of bell peppers in the culinary world. They add a burst of color to any dish, making your meals not only healthier, but also more visually appealing. And we all know that we eat with our eyes first, right? Imagine a plate filled with vibrant red, yellow, and green peppers alongside your favorite protein. It's an instant mood booster. And here's a tip. When you're shopping for bell peppers, look for ones that are firm and shiny, with no blemishes or soft spots. The more vibrant the color, the sweeter the flavor. If you can, try to buy organic, especially if you're concerned about pesticides. Bell peppers are on the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list, which means they tend to have higher pesticide residues. So, going organic can be a smart choice for your health and the environment. Now, let's talk about storage. To keep your bell peppers fresh, store them in the crisper drawer of your fridge. They can last up to a week, but if you notice them starting to wrinkle, it's time to use them up. You can also slice them and store them in an airtight container for easy snacking throughout the week. In conclusion, bell peppers are not just a pretty addition to your plate, they're a powerhouse of nutrition that can benefit your health in so many ways. From boosting your immune system to supporting your eye health and aiding digestion, these colorful fruits are a must-have in your kitchen. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a few bell peppers. Your body will thank you, and your meals will be all the more delicious and nutritious for it. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you feel inspired to add more bell peppers to your diet. Let's spread the word about these amazing veggies and make healthy eating fun and colorful. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.